And let's take a look at number 9 from section 1.3. We're given a graph of a line, in this case y equals negative 2x minus 4, and asked to solve some equations or inequalities based on the graph. So first we'll look for when y is equal to 2. So I would draw a line at y equals 2 and then find wherever my line intersects the graph of the given line, and that is at x equals negative 3. Next, we want to determine when y is greater than or equal to 2. And so with that horizontal line we've drawn, we've split the graph into a region where the y's are greater than 2, or where y is less than 2. So we know that we're going to write this top region down where y is greater than 2, but also include where it is equal to 2, since the inequality says y is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so now that we know the region that we're going to write down, we look at where the x's are located, which is when x is less than or equal to negative 3. Well, the third part of part A asks when y is less than 2. So we already know where that happens, which is below this horizontal line at y equals 2. So I'll just kind of label that region. And where the y value started being less than 2 was right immediately to the right of x equals negative 3. And this time we're going to write down this region of x values. And that's when x is greater than negative 3. And for part B, we're also asked to use the graph to solve these equations or inequalities. And the first one asks us to find when negative 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. Well, remember, negative 2x minus 4 is the given function. And so essentially that's just asking us to say when y equals 2. And we already found that, and that was when x is equal to negative 3. Okay, same thing for the second part of part B, negative 2x minus 4, when is it greater than or equal to 2? That would be on or above our horizontal line, which would be when x is less than or equal to negative 3. And lastly, we're asked to find when negative 2x minus 4 is less than 2, or in this case when y is less than 2, and that is when x is greater than negative 3.